Hello there viewers, welcome back to another new video. Are you tired of long, boring workouts that deliver very little results? When time is your limiting factor is losing belly fat, the type of exercise you choose is very important. This is why high-intensity interval training workouts or HIIT are the best workouts for losing stubborn belly fat. Today, we will talk about 10 HIIT exercises to lose belly fat faster. But before that, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Plank. To perform a plank, get on all fours with your toes on the floor shoulder width apart. Your wrists and elbows should be stacked directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your core tight so your body is in a straight line from head to toe. Now squeeze your thighs and butt. Keep your neck and spine in a comfortable neutral position. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Number 2. Crabby crawl out. To perform this exercise, stand with your legs wider than shoulder width apart. Now lower into a sumo squat. Next, crawl out into your hands until your body is stretched out in a plank position. Then, do a push-up. Now crawl back with your hands and sit back into the sumo squat, arms straight and extended overhead. Repeat for 20 seconds. Number 3. Grass grabbers. Start this exercise with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Then push your hips back and lower into a sumo squat, bringing your arms to touch the ground right underneath your torso. Now stand up straight and jump your feet in so that they land directly under your hips. Then immediately hop your feet back out to start position and start with squat again. Number 4. Burpees. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder distance apart and send your hips back as you lower your body towards the ground in a low squat. Now, place your hands right outside of your feet and hop your feet back, allowing your chest to touch the floor. Then push your hands against the floor to lift your body up into a plank. And then jump your feet just outside of your hands. Now, with the weight in your heels, jump explosively into the air with the arms overhead. Number 5. Mountain climbers. To perform this exercise, get into a high plank position with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Now keep your core tight, drawing your belly button in towards your spine. Then drive your right knee towards your chest and then bring it back to plank. Now drive your left knee towards your chest and bring it back. Continue to alternate sides. Number 6. Jump squat. To perform this exercise, stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Now go down in a squat position and immediately jump while pushing your torso upwards and throwing the hands downwards. You can do 3 sets of 15 reps each. Number 7. Jumping rope. All you need to perform the exercise is skipping, some space and your favorite music. Along with burning fat, exercise helps you in building leg muscles. Here is how to perform the exercise. To perform this exercise, stand straight and hold the rope. Your feet should be less than hip width apart. Now start skipping the rope. You can try leg switches for alternations. Number 8. Plank jacks. To perform this exercise, lie down on your stomach. Now place the palms on the mat. Lift your body upwards such that your arms are straight and aligned to your body. Now stay in the plank position and make sure your body is in a straight line. Now bend your legs apart and bring them together. Do as many repetitions as you can. Number 9. Jumping jacks. Begin this exercise by standing with your legs straight and your arms to your sides. Then jump up and spread your feet beyond hip width apart, while bringing your arms above your head, nearly touching. Jump again, lowering your arms and bringing your legs together. Then return to the starting position. Repeat this exercise 15 times daily. Number 10. High knees. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. Then lift up the right knee as high as it goes. Raise the opposite arm, then switch quickly so the left knee is up before the right foot lands. Continue pulling knees up quickly for 10 minutes every day. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these exercises from tomorrow? Which exercise out of these do you find the most effective? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.